Yeah. Burp contest. Yeah.
Your turn, bitch.
And so Hannah, please. Do it. I'm not gonna do that. Go ahead.
Holy shit.
I can burp the ABCs.
Wow.
We're getting there.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
There's some better ones than that. Don't worry.
All right, go ahead. Do your thing, girl.
Oh, man.
That was weird.
Hold on, guys, it's happening. Guys, it's happening. Saying the first word that pops into my head.
Excuse me. Okay, you guys are dicks.
I feel you anxiety. I have to burp. Oh my god.